媽咪買咗喉痛茶俾我飲，因為我喉嚨痛。你呢？你買咗邊隻啊？
我買咗葛菜水。哦。呢個如果瞓得夜嘅話，飲完呢個就清咗。
哦 ，OK，Thank you。隔離嗰間呢係賣嗰啲乾菠蘿啊 ，dried pineapple and nuts and stuff like that. It's really really good. Sweet kid. These are the Chinese New Year special edition ones. It's like super cool. My husband is all obsessed with all the limited edition shoes in Hong Kong. So yeah, this is Nike. Oh, and I just bought a pair from Adidas earlier. We're at the Muji Cafe and we're sharing a green tea cheesecake. This is how the cafe looks like. Mom ordered a soy milk that looks like it's a latte soy milk. I ordered a crumble dessert, which is pretty good. This is a yuzu drink that is cold, and then I also have a yuzu drink that is hot.
Or we can actually go from down there too.
Because today's Chinese New Year, there's the Chinese New Year parade going on. We're in front of Harbor City. Here you go, coming. Today's our last day in Hong Kong and we're having our last lunch at this dim sum restaurant called Ying in Yuen Long. And Mom's washing all the cups and bowls and like cutlery. This is kind of like a habit that people had from a long time ago, even though they don't really have to do it, but they're used to it. So they just use the tea that they give you and all the bowls, and they just kind of rinse it once with the tea.